Guys, I just ordered the heating element from Amazon and we're working with a dryer. It's an Infinity Frigidaire Dryer. This is the box right here. I wanted to show you guys the box it came in. Okay, we're just gonna take it out like so. Okay, so this is the actual piece right here by itself, okay? And then you're gonna notice that the coils are nice, new, everything's chrome, it's nice and shiny. I'm gonna be taking out this heating element that's in the back corner over here. I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but all the coils are gonna be nasty and burnt out. Okay, so this one did come with 2 extra pieces, and these pieces are gonna go on the side here, okay? They're gonna go here and here. Okay, so we're gonna do that, but I just want to let you guys know because if you're ordering from Amazon, sometimes it's just gonna come with the heating element, sometimes it's gonna come with the extra parts right here. Okay, now if you guys follow me, I'm gonna walk you guys through what I've done so far. So number 1 step is gonna be unplug. You guys can't see it's all the way back there, but it is a 220 plug. I unplugged it. Okay, there's 2 screws in the back, 1, 2 right here, and then there's also 2 screws on here. First, you have to slide this out. I've done this before, and I slid this whole thing out, and you don't need to do that. Just slide it a little bit, enough to get these screws. So you're gonna have 1 screw here, and then you're gonna have 1 screw there. Okay, so what I did is I just plopped it like this, and this is gonna be okay for right now. We're just gonna have it out the way while we finish up. Okay, so the next thing I did is I took the door off. Here's the door right here, okay? So the door, it had 1 all the way at the top, okay? We had another 1 at the top, and then with the door open, you had 2 screws here. Let me show you guys those screws because those screws look a little bit different than the rest of them. Okay, so here is the screws. They're nice, they're chrome, they're shiny, and they're kind of longer than the other ones. So all the other screws I've taken out so far are like this, and then those screws from the door are like this. Okay, so we have all the screws over here. And then, so after I took the inside screws out, then there's 2 screws that's all the way on the bottom. Okay, you can see it right here. That's 1. And then you can see 2 over here. Okay, what I did to make it easier, I have a pedestal. If you don't have a pedestal, don't worry about it. But if you do, I just pulled it out, and that way you could work in there a little bit better. Okay, so that's that. I had to disconnect this. So this box, all you have to do is push it in, turn it sideways, and this is the box that it was in right here. So I went ahead and pulled that right out, and then I disconnected this. This is connected to here. Once you disconnect it and all the screws are gone, all you have to do is remove this nice and slow. Okay, just be careful because it's not that heavy, but if you're not expecting it, it is pretty heavy. And the next step that I did is this is the drum right here, okay? So this goes right here. This is the link catch. So let me show you. So this goes here, okay? And then all you have to do is unscrew. There's 2 screws, but these are from the inside. So 1 right here and 1 right here. You guys can't see that, but they are right here on the inside. You want to move this out the way because when this is here, it's extremely hard to get at the heating element all the way down here. And there's this 1 screw that goes all the way in the back. It's very hard to do. If you don't take this drum out, you're going to be sitting there for at least an hour or so. Okay, so I'm going to pull the heating element out, and then I'll show you guys the rest of it right now. All right, you guys, I just got done replacing the part. This old part looks disgusting. Let me show you guys from this side. Like, look at that. You can see all the black coils. Everything's burnt. It's bented halfway, that frame. You see that? It's ridiculous. So your best friend for this project is going to be this screwdriver, and get a small screwdriver like this one because you could go all the way to the back and just fit back there. This is my 3rd time doing this project, so it gets easier every time. So I already was ready for that screw all the way in the back, but you know, got it done. The part fit perfectly. I am very happy right now. I'm gonna put everything together, and then we're gonna turn it on and then just double check, make sure everything works and see how everything is. Put everything together. I plugged it in. Let's check it out. The first thing you wanna do is open up the door, and if you see the light, don't walk into the light, but if you see the light, that means you are good to go. It is starting to work. So all we have to do now is push the start button, and then hopefully that E64 message or that E64 message is gone. Boom. just like that, we fixed our dryer. Our dryer is up and running again. I can start washing some clothes, my undies, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this review.